I may be wrong, but this is the only unlimited AI images generation tool with a lifetime deal. And even better, for just a few days you can grab it with a 50% discount. Stay with me in this video because I want to talk about this new kid on the block on the AI images generation space. It's called ArtSpace.ai. This month of December will be very intense because there will be many news about AI, so if you want to subscribe to this channel, because I will talk about new tools, new features, and really interesting things if you like the AI generation world. This tool is made by the same guy of ClosersCopy. If you know ClosersCopy, it's an AI writing tool made by Nico Engler. Just a few weeks ago, he presented a new feature inside ClosersCopy called Creatives, where you can generate images. But he already was working on this separate app dedicated only to image generation. There are some differences between what this app and ClosersCopy can do about images. Anyway, if you click on the link you find here in the description, you can reach this page and take advantage of this a unique lifetime deal, because with ArtSpace you can generate unlimited images for the entire life. So let's take a look at the homepage of this tool. This is the picture of the interface. Here you can see some images, some example of generated images with ArtSpace. Here you can see the prompt used with the seed. The seed is very useful because you can take this number, insert it here, and generate an image similar to the seed one. Anyway, here again you have some more example with the prompt, and again some example with the prompt. I like this kind of images. I suppose it's using Stable Diffusion, and it's interesting because you can take advantage of this lifetime deal. As a special introductory offer and for a limited time, we are giving you 50% off on our lifetime license instead of $297. One-time payment of only $147. You don't need any coupon. This offer is valid until 13 December 2022. Now let's talk about this price. I know there are other AI images generation lifetime deals. I talked about them in one of my last videos. I will leave you the link here. But what makes this ArtSpace different? First of all, the fact that you can generate unlimited images, you don't have limits. And to confirm this, I will go now into the Facebook official group for this new tool. Someone is asking questions. For example, how many image generations does the lifetime plan include? And here's the reply from Nico. I don't have plans to introduce such limits. As with ClosersCopy, my first app, my plans are unlimited. But you may see time delays between a generation to prevent spam and to make sure everyone gets a fair share of our server. So this is unlimited. If you compare this one, for example, with Jasper Art, that one is unlimited, but you pay monthly. So you pay $20 monthly with Jasper Art. This is unlimited for one-time fee. If you compare this with other lifetime deals on AppSumo, you will see that you have limits, for example, 400, 500, I don't remember, but you have a monthly limit on the number of images you can generate. And if you already tried to generate images with AI, you know that sometimes you need to generate them more and more time in order to have something good. So this tool, in my opinion, is useful if you want to have peace of mind paying once and you can use it forever. Obviously, it makes sense if you use this kind of images in your work, on your projects, or maybe if other apps don't offer you many options, because this is just the first version. As you can see, it says even beta here, and now I want to show you something here in the interface. As you can see, here is the place where you write your prompt, and then you just need to click on this button in order to generate an image. And it's really fast. You can obviously download your image, you can regenerate it as many times as you want. You have a limited time to download the image. It's 60 minutes in order to don't overload the server. And as you can see, you also have a number here. This number is the seed number. You can use the seed to regenerate the exact same image, or to start from the seed to generate something similar. You can generate your image in different format. You have 1 by 1, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, and 16 by 9. So you can generate in different formats. Not all the tools let you do this. You can even upload one of your images and use that image as a seed image, as a reference point to generate something similar. It means similar in the pattern, similar in the colors. You can set the variance from your seed image, and you can generate images up to 248 pixels by 248 pixels. Not bad as image quality. I don't think there is an upscaler at the moment inside ArtSpace, but I suppose it will come in the future. But that's not all, because here, where you see this drawing button, you can choose other options. For example, you can choose the Inpainting feature. This is really interesting because you can, for example, select one part of your generated image and change it using AI. This is called Inpainting. For example, you can brush or erase one part of the image and generate something different only in that part of the image. Or you can use Outpanting feature. Even this is really interesting because with this feature you can expand your image, selecting a direction, up, down, to the left or to the right, and what this does is expanding your image using AI and generate a different format. I personally think it's quite cool as an app. Again, it's not the cheapest lifetime deal you can find, but it's unlimited. So maybe you can find your perfect use case with this ArtSpace tool. It's 50% off until 13 December 2022, then it will become 297, I don't know for how much time, and then going forward I suppose it will become a monthly subscription, as it happens with all these kind of tools. If you like it, click on the link here below in the description and take advantage of this 50% off. You don't have a trial in this case, but you have a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you want to watch my previous videos with other AI images generation tools, please click here. If you found this video useful, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, because I will release many videos this month, really interesting ones, so you will not lose them. Thank you very much and see you soon on Digital Toolcase.